Hello, welcome to the second part of the Siemens PC 100. If you haven't watched the first part, you can find the link in the description. To explain the step-by-step mode, let's have a look at a mini program. Here we are loading x with 5, decrement by 1, and repeat this until x equals 0. To enter this source code, you need the optional assembler ROM that I don't have. Instead of entering the machine code, I will use a mnemonic input mode, but in this mode you can't use labels. So in this case I have to replace L1 with the correct address. Branch not equal takes a 1-byte address, which means a relative address, the number bytes to forward, or by a negative number, the backward steps. Let's have a look at the machine code. Here we have the address, A2 for load X, CA for decrement X, D0 for branch not equal, and FD, which means 3 bytes back. FF, FE, FD. Luckily, you can also enter an absolute address. The inline assembler will calculate the corresponding absolute address. So you could type branch not equal and to the address 202. Let me turn off the printer, Control Print, and enter the mnemonics in the input mode. Specifying the program counter, I for input mode, and typing the program, load X, hash, and you don't specify a $sign. 05 decrement X, branch not equal, and I will choose 0 to 102 and the breakpoint. Let me print a memory dump. Turn on the printer, memory 200. Here you have load X, 05, decrement X, and this is branch not equal. FD 3 bytes back, and 00 is a break. Let's print also the disassembled program with K 200, and there are 4 commands. To run the program, I will set program counter again to 200, G for go to, and let's check the registers, and you can see X is 0. Yes, X is 0, but we did not see anything. Let's run the program again, but with step mode activated. Here on the bottom right side you have the step button. Just hit it. Program counter 200. J. Checks the registers. It's 5. Next command. Next. Checks the registers. Now it's 4. There's an easier way to do this. Hit verbose mode and specify program counter again. Hit G, and in this case 5 2 commands, let's say 11 commands, 0b. If you do the same with trace mode activated, trace mode is activated by Z. And let's do this again. 0b. To get the history of the last executed memory addresses, you hit H. Step-by-step mode is handy, but sometimes you want to stop at a specific place. This is done by breakpoints. Let me stop the printer. And turn off the trace mode and verbose mode. You can specify up to 4 breakpoints, which are listed by a question mark. Question mark, give you 4 breakpoint addresses, 0, 1, 2 and 3. To clear them, you hit the hash key. And to specify breakpoint, you hit B. I won't specify the first breakpoint. Let's choose 203. 0, 203. Let's check the breakpoints again. There's one breakpoint set, 203. And let's run the program again. And we have to turn on the breakpoints. This is done by 4. And hit G. And now the breakpoint. Yeah, stopped at the breakpoint 203. Let's check the register. It's 4. Start again. We have to start again. 3. With space is running continuously. If you hit enter, it's only one command is executed. And so on. The last thing I want to show in this part is the saving and loading from a tape recorder. Okay, let's turn off the step mode, the debugging mode, and with the key 1 I will turn off the remote control of a tape recorder. I don't have a cable for the remote control, so turn off the remote control for the tape recorder. Due to the manual, I have to increase the buffer size at address A409, and we have to change it to 80. Let's check the address again. It's 80 now. To save a file, you hit D for dump. You specify the address 200 until 205. For the output, you can specify a printer, a TTY device, screen, or tape drive. T for tape drive. And with F, you specify the file name. Let's choose file 1. The maximum of the file name is 5 characters. And choose tape 1 and hit record on the recorder and press return. He is asking if we want to dump another address. I hit no. Okay, file is saved. I will reverse the tape. Okay, change the cable from record to input. Okay. With tree we can check the file on tape. It will compare it with the memory. T for tape, file name 1, tape 1, hit return and play on the recorder. Okay, there's no error, that means the file was correctly saved. Let's reverse it back. Okay, and I will erase the memory. Let's put zeros here. So we have zeros here. If we do disassemble on address 200, they're only breakpoints. L for loading, T for tape, the file name, and tape 1. Hit return and play on the recorder, and we have to wait. File is loaded. We can check it here. LLDX and at address 202 that's decrement X 203 branch not equal and 205 that's a break command. If we specify the wrong file name, let's try it again. Okay, load, tape, let's say it's only file, tape 1, return, and play. So the computer is showing us that it found a file 1, and now we will search the whole tape to find a program file, which is not the case. So we can stop it here. To stop searching you have to hit extra and reset. In the next part I will cover the text editor and will show some ROM functions. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next part. Bye bye.